we have our first punctuation testing question, and we know that we only concern ourselves with the sentence involved, but here it is just one sentence. So we're going to set up our vertical line test. So we'll highlight that there. We'll give ourselves our little notes here. We're going to have our vertical line. We know that before the vertical line is food, and then afterward is going to be in. So we'll read proactively with the vertical line test in mind. So we're going to just determine whether before and after that vertical line, we have a complete idea that could stand on its own as an independent sentence. So researchers studying magnetic sensation have determined why some soil-dwelling roundworms in the southern hemisphere move in the opposite direction of Earth's magnetic field when searching for food. Absolutely could stand on its own as its own independent or complete sentence. So we'll write complete there in our notes. Picking up afterwards, in the northern hemisphere, the magnetic field points down into the ground, but in the southern hemisphere, it points up toward the surface and away from worms' food sources. That too could be a complete sentence. So we can't have just a comma between two complete ideas. You can't have nothing between two complete ideas, but you can have a colon between two complete ideas. You just have to have the colon preceded by a complete idea, and then what comes after can be complete or incomplete. So our correct answer is A.